Hi viewers, this is Sri Ramlu. So today's topic is torque on a current loop. So torque means what generally? Torque is a force which acts on perpendicular distance, that is called torque, right? So that is why simply we write the torque formula: tau is equals to r cross f. It is a cross product. Why? Because this and this both are vector quantities, so finally torque is also vector quantity. So that is why we write tau is equals to r cross f, where it is a perpendicular distance and it is a force. If the force acts on perpendicular distance, that is called torque. And a cross product, if you remove the cross product, we can write r f sine theta, right? Why? Because cross product sine theta will come. Okay, let a rectangular coil pq or s of length l and breadth be placed in uniform field of magnetic induction b as shown in figure c. So it is a rectangular loop coil. It is a rectangle coil having p q or s ends, and l is its length. Here b is breadth. Okay, the sides pq and rs always normal to the field direction. Here pq and rs both are perpendicular to the field direction. The normal to the plane of the loop makes an angle theta with the direction of uniform magnetic field as shown in next figure C. Okay friends, see here only this side, PQ side, PS side is kept like this. Okay, PS side, and PS side breadth is B. So here to here it is B, and this force is taken this side and this force is taken downside. And see, to this surface a normal line is drawn, and with this normal and with the field direction theta angle is making. Okay, see clearly. Okay, so it is a which side? It is a B side, B length. Okay, and it is a exactly to this, it is a perpendicular line is drawn, and with the field direction perpendicular line is making angle theta. Let a current I flows through the loop. The sides PQ and RS. The sides PQ and RS are perpendicular to the field, then equal and opposite forces of magnitude BIL acts on them. So perpendicular force is this is BIL. It is the maximum force, maximum perpendicular force acts on these two sides. The direction of the force on PQ being upward. So here see the diagram, it is upward, and on RS being downward. Okay, so by flaming left hand rule, so we can decide. Already I have uploaded one video with for the flaming left hand rule. The sides QR and PS makes an angle alpha. See, sides QR and PS, so this side and this side making angle how much? Alpha angles with the field direction. Theta is also with the field direction but with normal. Theta is with normal along field direction. Alpha is a field direction with the B. The direction of force on PQ being upward and RS being downwards, right? Okay. Equal and opposite forces of magnitude Bill sine theta acts on them. B sine alpha. So with this alpha, Bill sine alpha, BIL sine alpha. The direction being towards right and left respectively. So like this on them, right side, sorry, left side and right side on the sides PQ and RS. The resultant force on the loop is 0. Okay, why? Because how much force is acting this side, the same force is acting this side, and how much force is acting upside and downside is also same force. So these two forces are cancel each other, but forces cancel but torque never cancel. Torque is not 0, but because the force on the sides of PQ and RS constitute a torque. So force is acting on perpendicular distance. So that is why perpendicular distance force is what simply torque. Momentum of torque is given by torque is I stated at the beginning. Torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance, and a force is a BIL maximum force, and a distance B sin theta is a component of distance. Component of distance along field direction it is. See the direction along the field direction. Okay. Now tau is equals to we can write a BILB sin theta. So L is the length, B is the breadth, their product is simply area. So that is why A is written. Torque, it is a torque with 1 ton. 1 ton means one single coil is like this. Suppose a n number of tons are there, then simply multiply with n. And now A and B is written, and sin theta is written like this. A cross B is simply AB sin theta. Now A cross B is over with the sin theta. Remaining terms Ni is here. Next, NIA can be written as magnetic moment, and magnetic moment is that now finally tau is equals to M cross B. So this is the torque acts on the loop which contains the current. Okay friends, thank you for watching.